Hello, fifth grade. How are you? Today's lesson is lesson 6.3, page 86. The earth rotates on its axis. دوران الأرض حول محورها. The earth rotates on its axis. Look how the earth rotates on its axis. Look, another time. The earth rotates on its axis. الأرض تدور حول محورها. This is the earth. The globe. This is the globe. مجسم الكرة الأرضية. The globe is a model of the earth. هذا مجسم الكرة الأرضية. الأرض. The globe. Repeat after me. The globe. I'm sure all of you saw this in the lab in the school. It's called the globe. It is shaped like a ball. Look. شكله مثل الكرة. It's shaped like a ball. It has stick passing through it from the North Pole and the South Pole. فيه زي عصاي بتمر من القطب الشمالي والقطب الجنوبي. This stick represents the Earth axis. هذا بيمثل محور الأرض. The axis is محور. Earth's axis محور الأرض. So it's shaped like a ball. It has stick through pass from the North Pole and the South Pole, and this stick represents the axis, the Earth axis. Look at this globe. The Earth spins all the time on its axis from west to east. Look. إن الأرض تدور حول محورها باستمرار. From west من جهة الغرب لجهة الشرق. This movement is called rotation. هذا الدوران اسمه rotation. دوران الأرض حول محورها. The earth spins all the time from west to east. This is called rotation. Repeat after me. This is called rotation. This happens when the earth spins all the time on its axis. باستمرار ما بتوقف. It will never stop. Look at this model also. This is the shape of the earth and its rotation. Look. It's rotating from west to east. The earth completes one rotation. When it finishes one rotation from here, here, one rotation every 24 hours باليوم. It completes day and night. So, the earth completes one rotation on its axis every 24 hours, which makes a day and night. الأرض تدور دورة كاملة حول محورها كل 24 ساعة. It makes day and night. الليل والنهار. Watch this video.
Today we'll learn about day and night. When we see the sun shining in the sky, it is day, and when we don't, it's night. So the question is, why is the sun in the sky seen at some times and not at others? We see that the sun seems to move across the sky, starting in the east in the morning, then moves toward the south at noon, and then finally toward the west as the day ends. How does this happen? Actually, the sun appears to move across the
Look
sky
how it
because the Earth
rotates.
rotates on its
Look,
axis. Axis is an
axis. This is the
imaginary straight
axis.
line passing through the North Pole,
North
the
Pole.
center of the Earth, and the South Pole.
Here is the
It is
South Pole.
tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. The movement of the Earth on its own axis is known as rotation. Let's see why we have days and nights. Let's assume this globe is our Earth and this lamp is the sun. Now, look closely.
You are going to
the
do this
light is
activity.
shining only on one side. This is day. Now look at the other part and you can see it's dark. This is night.
Here.
When the Earth rotates, day changes to night and night changes to day. That's how the rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Pretty cool. Look at this map. India and the United States are on opposite sides. The Earth takes a whole day to make
Look
one
at the
rotation, which is a total of 24 hours. That's why when there is day in India, there is night in the United States. And when there is day in the United States, there is night in India. Similarly, when there is day in China, there's night in Colombia, because these are situated on opposite sides of the Earth. Let's learn some fun facts about day and night. The Earth is always spinning around, and it takes 24 hours for the Earth to complete one rotation. Daytime is from the time of sunrise until sunset. Nighttime is from the time the sun sets until the sun rises.
This is day.
The shortest day of the year is known as the winter solstice. The longest day of the year is known as the summer solstice. The sun contains 99% of the solar system's mass. Now you know a lot about day and night. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more videos and all.
Look at this picture. Here it shows the rotation of the Earth around its axis. Look. Look. Now, I like you to do model to show day and night. It's activity page 86, 6.3. For this activity, you need a globe, مجسم الكرة الأرضية, if you have. It's not necessary. You can use a ball, something else, a sticker, and a torch. So, you need a globe, sticker, so as to mark the places, the cities, and a torch, so as to give light, as if it is a sun. It's not difficult. I like you to do it and enjoy it and understand it, so as to see how day and night forms. What can we conclude from this lesson? We conclude that Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. The other thing is Earth completes one rotation every 24 hours. إذن the Earth rotates. تدور الأرض حول محورها من الغرب للشرق every 24 hours, and it makes day and night. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed.